we'll do the stretch, making sure you meet in the back, hold and release, but not that long. Okay, so 2 and release. 3, release. 4 and release. 5, release. 6, release. 7, release. 8, release. 9, release. 10 and release. And smile. 11 and release. And 12 and release. 13, release. And 14, release. And last one, woo! And release. You're standing on it, and we're gonna go out like this and down. So we'll do the same thing, out, hold, down. And you know what, we'll do 10 on each side. So front standing, out, and up to horizontal, and down. And out, up, and down. And 3, and up, and hold, and down. And 4, and up, hold, down. 5, up, hold, down. And 6, up, hold, down. And 7, up, hold, down. 8, up, hold, down. And 9, up, hold, down. And last one, up, hold, and down. Out, and up, hold, and down. And 2, up, hold, and down. And 3, up, hold, down. And 4, up, hold, down. And 5, up, hold, and down. And 6, up, hold, down. And 7, up, hold, and down. And 8, up, hold, and down. And 9, up, hold, and down. And last one, up, hold, and down. Woo, woo, woo. Hand is gonna go from your side straight up in front of you, and you're gonna hold and then release. And then up and hold and down. And 3, up, hold, and down. 4, up, hold, and down. And up. 5, and hold, and down. And 6, and hold, and down. 7, up, hold, down, 8, up, hold, down, and 9, up, hold, down, and last one, up, hold, and down. And we'll go 1, up, hold, and release. And then 2, up, hold, release. And 3, up, hold, and release. And 4, up, hold, and release. 5, up, hold, and release. 6, up, hold, release. 7, up, hold, release. 8, up, hold, release. And 9, up, hold, release. And 10, up, hold, release.